Okay, I am now live. Yeah, okay. So I'm gonna just work on this a little. Yeah. So, should make a block. Do input thingy, and this will check if a node is an input, pretty much. Text, and yes, okay. So here, how do I exactly want to do this? Do I have it up here? No, okay, so but only work with the join block right now. Okay. So this is basically the logic. And all I have to do is just, if this is the case, that it returns, can I also copy paste that? Yeah. Returns args.text, else it just returns text. That's really it. Now I just have to put this into input thingy. Boom. Okay. Now, oh yeah, here too. Wait, where was that? Here. So under the lock. Wait, yeah, okay. Put that here and just right here. Do input thingy and put this in here. Okay. Now I can just copy paste this. But wait, no, I only needed it for the join block. Did I? Hold up. Test ABC. Yeah, no, I only need one input. ABC. So wait, if I add a return init input and I put in input ABC, do this, export, and now try to hold up. This does work. Why does that work? Okay, I need to make a few more tests. Let's try something like this. What if I wanted to, I think this might not work because of the way I coded it. So if I do 10 plus the input ABC, does this work? You can't see it in stream, but I'm actually checking it. So no, it does not work. Yup, because ABC is not defined. Okay. Now, this general node system is like coded really, really badly. yeah, I don't know like what to do about it. Normally it should like just get the last node's value and store its own value, but it doesn't do that, so it's very like broken. I'm thinking of like making a new editor for this, not a node editor, because that's very complex. But here we now need to add it to the divide. Now we do the same for every other block thingy. Input. Okay. Wait, what? Oh, I did that wrong. I needed to put it up here instead. Whoopsies. And boom. Okay. So now inputs should work. If I like do 10 plus and then ABC and do 21 for example. Open the node editor, put number 10 plus, let's do, and input ABC. 2. Does this work? It according to my plan, it should work now. So, oh, what? No, something did not work. I think I messed something up here somewhere. Because it gave me an error when I tried to load it. But why? This may be broken. Because it just straight up didn't want to load it. Like straightforward. Yeah, so apparently this does not work for some reason. So I'm gonna just log it. Just log the first value. Did I disable compiler? I think I made it so it auto disables. Nope, of course not. So do 10. Wait, no. ABC plus 10. Okay, default value 21. Okay, so now it's gonna log what it gets for the first value. 10. Wait, so what if I swap the, okay, sure, I can just delete that middle node. What if I swap, wait, why does it say 0 now? ABC, what if I do this? What does it give me? ABC. But it's an input thing. Why does it do that? Do the input thingy. Okay, let's check out this logic. Okay, so basically it does the input thing on it. That does not make sense. So it just doesn't. Can I do breakpoint here? It's actually a great thing that this exists. 10 plus ABC. I don't know why it does it backwards. It's confusing. Input and plus. 1, 2, 3. So ABC. 10. Export. Boom. Okay. So 3 out of. Why is this nothing? It just logged it to be 10. So why isn't it 10? Okay, other idea. What if I do the input thingy? Nothing. Okay, stop the project. Still nothing. What? Okay, so node inputs. Here we go. We have 3 and 4 ABC. So we need to check item 1. I think. Like if item 1 equals 3. Or is that because of the one that it connected to? Yeah, that is like its connection, not the actual thing. So, okay. This is way too confusing. Oh wait, okay, I get it, I think. So, we get the value of, find connections. We have 4 and 2. Yes, makes sense. That makes sense because 4. Yes, okay. So we get 1 of the array, and we have 4, and then we check the inputs. What? But that doesn't like. Okay, so item 1 is 4. So 4 is the one that we have to find in this list. I'm very confused. So, what does this even do? For each node input? It does something, okay. So, what other info do I have? Inputs? No. Extension ports? No. Connections? Wait, no. We got it there. Oh, my mouth just went really weird. Okay. So you have 4, which is the node. What? Why is this so confusing? So 4 is the 1 and 3. 1, 3. Oh, okay. So okay. I think I get it. Wait. Wait. No, no, you wanna tell me. No, 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 no. No, 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 right? Right, so you wanna... No, 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 no. No, right? There's no way, like, this is the fix. No way. This would be crazy. So 10 plus ABC. See 21. See return number input. Wait, no, we need a plus block. Note I meant. This ABC 10. Also, quick check if we can re-add. Yep, okay. Export. Oh yeah, I forgot the breakpoint. Forgot to remove that. Yoink, yoink. Okay, continue. What now? Okay. Seems like it did not like that breakpoint. 10 plus ABC. It's 21. Bam, 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 bam. Okay. Okay, the input was ABC. The number was 10. So 10 plus 21. Okay. Now I'm going to test this again. Let's see. Okay, so it did load and it does work. Okay, I fixed it. I fixed that. Yes. Wait, did I is my no, okay. Okay, so finally input stuff works. I can remove the lock. I think that was the only one. Okay. And now finally inputs are here. Now I could directly release this update, or I could work on it more. Yeah, I think I'm gonna release it first, like update it on itch.io, and then like add a new editor thing. Yes. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do. Package project. You can't see that right now, but I am. Trust me. Turbo mode, 60 FPS. Was there anything else? Wait. Took a screenshot so I can see. Okay, so I'm at frame rate 60. Yup. Warp timer doesn't exist. That is great. Remove fencing, and that's it, I think. Yeah, that's it. Okay. Great. What page icon? This one. Wait, I need to check the itch.io page. Wow, I did it, I forgot. So if I go here, let's see. Okay, we only have full screen button. Yeah. Okay. Oh, here's warp timer. I'ma just like leave that out. Okay. HTML. Okay. I don't know what version this is. So let's see. Zero 0.12. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna quickly upload it to itch and then we continue. Boom. Okay, quickly delete the old one. This file will be played in the browser. Quickly add the changelog thing. 17th. May, and then okay, so 0.0. Wait, what? I'm confused. Okay, it doesn't matter. So added inputs node, and join node. That's it, I think. Okay. There we go. I think it's updated now. So now yep, okay. Great. So as you can see, this code is not like, this one isn't that bad, even though, but this is the node editor code. If I zoom out a little much, and I definitely know how every part of it works, definitely. So I think I'm gonna make like a new editor where it's kind of simpler. Yeah. I don't really know how I'm gonna like start doing that, but I'm gonna just do it and see what I can make. I don't even know what to call this editor. Just like block editor, I guess. I don't know. So first, every block is going to have a little menu here where you can change the block name, block type, and stuff like that. And then you can open like what it returns or what it does. Actually, maybe I should add one more node before I start working on a different editor. So let's actually add a new node. Let's add a alert node. Alert. And so you can make blocks say stuff. I don't really know why, but why not? I guess, I don't know. So alert is now up here with return. Should probably make it a lowercase a to keep the consistency. Actually, I don't really know. Doesn't really matter anyway. So alert, and pretty much I'm gonna just go to the spawn logic here to 8. And now I can just copy paste this. And instead of return, I can now just do alert. Alert. There we go. And change this return to alert. There we go. Pretty simple. Then just move it down here. But now I need to change the exporting thing. So how does this actually work? This is not where it does the functions. I think I have a custom block. Yep, here it is. So does it start at return? Yes, okay. Else if node alert isn't do wait, how did that go? I think it was an uppercase A and then an opening bracket, or was it lowercase? Should probably know that. Oh, it's lowercase, okay. So lowercase alert, and I just need to make sure that if it starts with alert, it says found return. Should probably put that here, and else it just does alert. Is there any logic like if found equals return? Hopefully not. Yeah, so I can just copy this code. Can I do that? I'm gonna just do a new variable, return note. Here we change it to nothing. Here we change it to this. Actually, I could here just do a semicolon and here closing bracket semicolon, because here we have this, so just do this. Bam. And also just nothing. I need to make sure that I put a set return out to nothing here. Okay. Now maybe I can make it so if there's no code, it comments it. But nah. Oh yeah, I forgot I need to hide this. Okay. So let's do reporter, do alert, and then just alert, and then A plus B. A will be 10, B 20, should be 30, so let's just add an alert here. And input A and B, and A plus B. A still, sometimes it does that, it's a really buggy editor. Down, okay. So now if I export it, and now I'm gonna test it, but you can't see that, so I'm just say if it works. Oh, okay, the second default value doesn't work, but that doesn't really matter. And yep, it just doesn't work. Oh yeah, it's an input issue again. Did I add the yes. Okay, there is an input issue again, but I don't know why. Why is there an input issue? Does this automatically set found or no? Then how does that work? How does it automatically set it to sound? I don't understand. Why does it have an input issue? Is it because there are multiple inputs? Yeah, I don't know right now. I'm gonna just work on the block editor or something like just editor thing. So first it's gonna hide. When it shows, it's gonna reset everything. It's gonna go down. Also clear graphical effects. And now I'll make a new message, call it block editor. Now, when I click one of these blocks, what does this even do? Oh. What does this? Oh yeah, this is where I wanna be. All I do now is just click reporter. Now I do PC, for example. If I click done, okay, click edit and then select it, where does it ask me if I want to open the node editor? Does it do that here? I think it does it here. Yep, it does. I think. Yeah, it's right here. Okay, if you don't answer it, would you like to open the block editor? Which will send the block editor message. So, think, I don't know, yep, disable compiler, okay. So no, yes. Now, read as this, so block editor should also do it. Okay. Yeah, we can ignore that. Okay, yeah. Oh yes, also here, block editor. Okay. So now I just create. No. Yes. Okay. Yep. Great. It's like a reset. Now it's time to set up everything. So first I erase everything, and I stamp. Then we reset this. Can also just block editor. It's meant to be like a little over there. Boom, okay. It's gonna say name. Now I need to make a name render again. I don't really know anymore how I did it the first time here. Like where it just automatically adds the inputs in there. Like if I just do this, type ABC and then ABC here, it just knows. How does it know? Okay, so text box is here. Okay. Add This is confusing. Oh, wait, this is from... Okay, so if the answer isn't nothing, then you item 2 over, item 3 over, right? Oh, it's like setting up the block. This is pretty much the text. And if the text is the same as I do not understand how I did this. How does it generate the things when I start as a clone? Sure. If it's not, then yeah, this is where I just was. It sets blocked to what? To reporter ABC ABC. Okay. If I type like ABC in here. Reporter ABC ABC nothing? Did ABC ABC I don't understand. So if I type A, it's gonna say A. You know, I do not understand, so it just... Oh, okay, so it adds them. But what renders them? What makes them show up? Is there like... No. No. What? Okay, it just crashed, I think. What? Huh? This is confusing. Is there like any thing here that nope. Okay. Oh, this doesn't like render it. It just does. So this renders it? No, this doesn't render it. Where does it get rendered? Here? Update block text. Seems like it. Yeah. This function updates it. Yeah, exactly. This one does it. This one. Yeah. But how does it do that? It fishes the inputs. So it gets every input of... Oh yeah, okay, that makes sense. And it does for each input it shows it. Also, that's how it renders it. Do I have okay, I'm gonna just like drag this in here. And the fish inputs, yoink. Okay, that's a lot here. Okay, so this would do like the exact same thing if it was shown. Yes. No, not really. Huh? Okay. Because it doesn't have text box and text box 2 and text box 3, right? Yeah. Okay, so it shows the block's name, but you can change it normally, doesn't it render that too? No, wait, it doesn't, because it automatically does that when it does next step. So here it already renders the yoink. Okay, so it does this, and then it does this, or the other way around. Oh wait, I need to show it. Boom, boom. The other way around. Boom, boom. Why does it hide it at the end? Done? What done? There. Oh yeah, it's like a create or something. So okay, so it does all of that, and then it does this. Boom, boom. Block editor, text, okay, inputs, name. Why does it do? Oh yeah, because text is nothing. Okay, I need to copy a lot of code. It's like when I start as a clone. Let me just yoink that too. Okay. So. Boom. Okay. Okay. Okay, so if I change this to no, and then A. Okay. But it, oh yeah, it runs that again. It should run block editor again instead. Block editor. And it shouldn't also do that. Okay. Okay. So now I run this, and if I do ABC 1 2 3, it changes it. That's good. And now if I do no A, do no, 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 no. Oh wait, there's probably like no delay or something. I don't understand why so much is broken. Okay, how about I don't disable the compiler and get there by just doing something. Now editing, no, yes, okay. Now, what if I do A and then ABC? Okay, now what if I do B, 121? It seems a little laggy. How many clones are there? Failed to create, who cannot create over 300 clones. That's good to know. Oh yeah, I need to like delete all clones. Whoopsies. Okay, finally. Wait, I can disable compiler again. Yippee. So now I can put in ABC and then 1 2 3. ABC. Is there an isClone variable? I'll just do that. Why is everything here so complicated? And if isClone equals 1. Oh yeah, I can just make this all in one. Boom, it's that simple. Now, actually, I can do A, B, C. Yes, okay. So now it doesn't create over a billion million clones. Hello? Does it do inputs? No? Can't even like do anything here. Why? Oh, it sets block. Yeah, no, I don't know how that works. I pretty much forgot like a lot about the system. Should probably remove it till I understand it better. Comment. Add comment. Add later. There we go. I think I'm gonna stop the stream now. 0 viewers. Pretty okay. Yeah. See you next time when I'm live. Bye.